Hi everyone, this is video 1 in chapter 2 of the Baylor Tutoring Department's CS video set. This video will be covering conditional statements such as ifs, else ifs, and elses. First, we'll start with what a conditional is. Conditional statements allow us to branch and execute different code based on some current Boolean state in the program. If the Boolean within the if statement parentheses is true, the program will enter the scope of the if statement and execute the code there. Then ignore all attached else if or else statements following. If the Boolean evaluates to false, the next conditional in the chain is evaluated. And if that Boolean evaluates to false, the next conditional in the chain is evaluated, and so on. The programmer can chain as many else ifs as they want in one chain. If we want a certain set of code to always execute when none of the previous conditionals evaluated to true, we can then use the else construct. Else is a catch-all to execute a block of code if no previous conditions in the chain evaluated to true. So why use a conditional? Well, conditions are essentially the building block for making useful programs. If your program executes the same way every time it is run, regardless of inputs, then it is not likely to have much in the way of complexity or even usefulness. Most software systems that you work with use conditions to determine what to do when you enter input or select options. For example, at a very high level, if a user is served two options when opening up a banking program, that being to deposit or withdraw in their account, then the program needs to run differently based on what the user selects. We can formalize this with if-else statement, such as, if deposit selected, then do this, else, then do that. In this case, I'm using else instead of else if, because I know that in my simple banking software, the user only has two choices. So if they don't choose to deposit, they must be choosing to withdraw. There's no other condition to check for, so we just use else rather than else if. In the diagram, you can see that we can visualize conditionals as branches in the logic flow of our program. Flowcharts such as these help us better understand the main code paths that we will need to build out in our software. I hope that this video helped, and in the next video, we'll cover an example program to further develop our understanding of conditionals in C++ specifically. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true no matter which computer science course you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services. Our tutoring center is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You'll find all the details you need about these services on our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You may schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online or just drop in during any of our business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thanks.